Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today I'm going to take you through a crystal guided meditation to help inspire creativity. Welcome to the channel. My name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are a really good opportunity to practice using crystals and gemstones in the situations that you need support with. And so this is a guided meditation that's designed to help you if you're feeling a lack of creativity and inspiration. So this is a great meditation if you are a writer, a creator, or somebody who works with innovation, or a project manager, or if you're experiencing writer's block or creative block. This is an excellent meditation to help you release and eliminate mental, emotional, or energetic blocks to your creativity and allow new ideas and inspirations to arise for you. So this is a great meditation to sit down with right before you're going to start a project or before you go into your workshop, to help you release what might be blocking you and stir up that enthusiasm and motivation to really start into some good creative work. Now, this isn't very long, so that you can do the meditation and then get right into your project. So the crystals that I'll be using today, well, I'll be using one of them, but there are many that can help you in this process that help inspire creativity. And one is red tiger's eye, red jasper, and amber. So for today, if this is your first time watching the video and you don't have any one of these stones, it's okay. You can still benefit from this guided meditation. But having the gemstone with you will help provide some spark to help it work a little bit more effectively and faster for you. And today, I'm going to be working with carnelian. It's really one of my go-to stones for inspiring creativity. So if you have a gemstone, then the only other thing that you'll need before we start this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, it could be in a chair or outside on the ground. In your workspace is preferable. But if you have your gemstone and your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And with your gemstone, then place that in your non-dominant hand so that you can receive the energy from that gemstone during this meditation. And bring your focus on how it feels to breathe right now. And as you exhale, just allow any thoughts or feelings about your current project to just drift away on your breath. And try to release control over the creative process. We might feel that control in our mind, or even in our body. We feel a tightness when we think about this project. Try to relax that out. If you feel any grasping, attachment, or tension when this project comes to mind, try to release it with your breath, with your exhale. And then imagine a fire burning in your lower stomach. In any form you like, a campfire, a fireplace, a match, a torch. And with this fire, its heat and its smoke are burning away any mental or emotional or energetic blocks that are inhibiting inspiration for you right now. You don't even have to know what they are. They are being burned away right now and floating away on the smoke. And allow this flame to remind you of the passion that you feel for your creative activity. What really stoked your fire about this project in the first place? And let it raise your motivation, your enthusiasm, and your desire to start in. Fan the flames. This flame, it draws ideas and inspiration like moths attracted to this flame. This flame draws it to you. And allow the ideas and inspirations just into your energy field. And just breathe as you accept the gifts rising from your own intuitive core. They don't have to have shape or definition right now, but they are arriving for you. They are rising up. And take several more deep breaths. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in this guided meditation to help inspire creativity. And, as soon as this video is done, just head to your work area and just allow those ideas and that inspiration to flow for you. And if you're new to the channel and you're interested in other ways that crystals and gemstones can help you in very specific areas of your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I post a wide variety of informational videos and guided meditations and even question and answer videos about crystals and gemstones and how you can incorporate them in your everyday life. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.